Sa ngayon mga kaibigan ay ipapalabas ko po ang aming panayam kay Governor Matthew Marcos Manotoc. Update mula dito sa probinsya ng Ilocos Norte sa enhanced community quarantine dito sa bansa natin.
Food packs, our cash for work will be next week. Tuloy naman yung disinfecting. We also distributed medical supplies, no, to our frontliners, the hospitals, and also the checkpoints. Then we also issued a liquor ban, diba, last night. And then nag-institute pa kami ng mga rules dun sa barangay checkpoints kasi yung iba daw masyadong marami. So tuloy-tuloy lang. I think we're preparing siguro for sustained COVID crisis, no? Kasi as we all know, unpredictable, no, yung duration nito. So we're looking into our food security now. Syempre, that's our number one focus, ensuring na the food that we have is sufficient for our people. At swerte naman tayo that we're very self-sufficient in terms of food. Kaya lang yung worry natin is who knows kung transport sa labas, no? So we have to be a little protectionist.
How about the price, sir?
Yeah, so we just met regarding the price control, the price freeze. For the most part daw, ino-observe yung price freeze, but syempre yung iba hindi na monitor. So we've activated our price control council to ensure that all of the reports are organized and in one forum, no? And then we can report to the PNP for the appropriate action.
Monitor natin sa mga groceries, sir, kasi after nagbili ng mga LGUs para sa kanilang relief goods, parang naubos na yata yung mga groceries dito sa...
Wala pa naman. I mean, ang sabi ng DTI sa atin na may 1 month pa supply. So, kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang para hindi mabawasan masyado. But what we've been told is meron naman. Baka yung ibang mga smaller lang, no, na businesses baka nauubos kasi hindi sanay sa volume. But what we've been seeing is, and what we're being told is, okay pa naman. We have enough supply of basic goods.
COVID-free pa rin tayo, sir, o wala pa tayong mga highly probable case din na...
Wala, kahit PUI, wala yata, di ba? So, we're thankful, despite yung Maria de Leon scare, na PUI free pa rin tayo. But, kagaya ng sinasabi ko, let's just act like we have it, no? Act like we have COVID already in the province. Wala tayong choices. So, even though this is a secondary strategy, yung pag-quarantine and limiting movement, it's still important, but it gives us time to prepare yung mga yung testing, no? Kasi that's talaga yung primary solution to this is identifying kung sino po talaga yung mga carriers. Yung quarantine na to is more of extending, diba? Extending, minimizing, but to really address it, kailangan mong pinpoint kung sino po yung mga carriers. So, obviously, we've heard that the national government has many test kits. We're talking to MMMH for the procurement of a PCR machine. So we can have reliable results here in the province. Kasi we're told that we know that Baguio is the closest. Hindi naman ganun kalapit ang Baguio. At ayaw naman natin na maging secondary, no, parate. So we're looking at investing, the province maybe investing 5 million sa PCR machine na to. So we have immediate results and hopefully there is life after COVID at kaya pa naman gamitin daw sa ibang uses ng PCR machine.
Marami pong mga kababayan natin na nag-worry kay Senator dahil nangyari kay Coco Pimentel. Kumusta na po siya?
Okay naman, yung nanay ko. I think yung mas mainit na yun, si Uncle Bongbong yata, di ba? But they're both okay. My mom, I think wala naman symptoms. Yung tito ko parang mild lang yata. So, hoping, kaya lang galing daw siyang Europe tsaka Spain pa yung nagsuspike dun eh. So, he's been tested naman and we're hoping it's negative of course and bata pa naman siya, medyo healthy. I think kaya niya yan.
Sir, what is your assessment of the first day of implementation of the free ride? Kulang ba or sapat lang? Yung free ride natin?
The rides, medyo matagal na yun I think it was
It was just
Friday.
started yesterday according to Mr. Martinez.
No, na-expand na.
Okay.
Na-expand na. But they started with the health personnel,
Yeah.
I think Friday pa yun or something, or Saturday. Okay naman, we're just looking at ways to open it up. I think initially kasi nag-start po kami dun sa health personnel talaga. And then now, we're hoping yung mga private travelers, kagaya na nakikita natin sa labas, will be minimized. At they'll all be provided for and with these modes of transportation and hopefully practice social distancing. And then the other thing we implemented pala is yung sa market days, no? We asked the mayors select and designate essential supply days, no? ESD, para hindi i-abuse tong food and health trips, no? So I think we took a cue actually from sa Batak yata yun, yung nag-alternating sila. Diba? And then yung mga ibang munisipyo nag 2 a day pa. So we asked that every barangay is limited to 3 essential supply days, no? Para may designated na sila. And then yung days lang na yan na pwede silang lumabas unless of course exempted po sila. So we're hoping that maiiwasan yung mga unnecessary trips to wherever, no? And then sana one trip na lang sila. At kailangan yung trip nila is dun sa closest, no? Hindi yung babiyahe across Ilocos Norte para bumili lang ng ketchup or something, no? We've been doing recently is we sold already in-house to PGIN, and most of the rice kasi we're also going to distribute. So problema din yun because we're hoarding of course and we're keeping kasi we want to distribute for relief later on. But now what we're thinking of is what we're going to do is increase our trading within the province, no, to assist our farmers also na tayo na bibili and then we'll find na lang yung kumbaga matching, no, yung kung sino ang bibili. So I think it has to be we have to heighten, no, yung market natin, yung trading natin within Ilocos Norte to make sure that talagang efficient po tayo sa pagbili at pagbenta ng mga goods natin, and also ensuring that our agri-goods are not unnecessarily leaving. No, kasi yun yung ayaw natin. Kung may buyer naman dito, dito na lang, 'di ba? And of course, critical talaga to buy local, especially now. So we're going to set up siguro buying center